Marhaba everyone, hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing well today. In today's lesson, as you can tell from the title, we will be learning the different times of the day. Starting with morning, which is sabah. Sabah. In the morning, and we will leave it out. We will simply be saying the morning. And the will be translated into a simple L that you'll be adding to any word whenever you're saying the. So morning is sabah, the morning will be الصبح. Now, with whatever word you're using morning with, you simply put the words together. For example, here, yesterday morning, you would say امبارح الصبح. امبارح الصبح. Tomorrow morning, بكرة الصبح. بكرة الصبح. And from the days of the week that has been learned, we're going to take the first example on Monday morning, which will be الاثنين الصبح. الاثنين الصبح. Moving on to in the late morning, the Arabic word of it is not going to have the word late nor morning. It's going to be an exact translation of before noon. Before, which is قبل, noon, which is ظهر. So you would say قبل الظهر. قبل الظهر. Yesterday in the late morning, امبارح قبل الظهر. امبارح قبل الظهر. Tomorrow in the late morning, بكرة قبل الظهر. بكرة قبل الظهر. On Tuesday in the late morning, الثلاثة قبل الظهر. ثلاثة قبل الظهر. Again, in the afternoon, it's going to be an exact translation of after and noon. بعد الظهر. Yesterday, in the afternoon. امبارح بعد الظهر. امبارح بعد الظهر. Tomorrow, in the afternoon. بكرة بعد الظهر. بكرة بعد الظهر. And the last example with afternoon, which is on Wednesday in the afternoon, الأربعة بعد الظهر. الأربعة بعد الظهر. As for tonight, you have two ways to say it. It can be either ليلة or عشية. ليلة or عشية. Now, when you're saying yesterday night, tomorrow night, even though we're saying night, you're going to use عشية, so as if you're talking about the tonight of yesterday or tonight of tomorrow. So you'll say امبارح عشية. امبارح عشية. Tomorrow night, بكرة عشية. And on Thursday night will be الخميس عشية. الخميس عشية. Of course, night has a word when you're talking about the actual nighttime. And to be able to use the word for night, you're going to have a preposition before it by saying at night or all night. And this is what we're going to learn next. Night is ليل. ليل. Today at night. اليوم بالليل. اليوم بالليل. Yesterday at night. امبارح بالليل. امبارح بالليل. Tomorrow at night. بكرة بالليل. بكرة بالليل. On Friday night, الجمعة بالليل. الجمعة بالليل. Moving on to the last word, which is midnight, which is going to be an exact translation of mid and night. So mid in Arabic, which is the same word for half. So anytime you want to say mid or half, you would say nos, nos. So midnight will be nos lel, nos lel. Today at midnight, you can say اليوم بالنص ليل, but you can also say it اليوم بنص الليل. اليوم بنص الليل. Yesterday at midnight, امبارح بنص الليل. امبارح بنص الليل. Tomorrow at midnight, بكرة بنص الليل. بكرة بنص الليل. On Saturday at midnight, السبت بنص الليل. السبت بنص الليل. So that would be it for today's lesson, in which we have learned all the words for the times of the day. So I hope you enjoyed it, guys. And if you did, please stay tuned in, because in the next video, we will be practicing together how to put in sentences these words with all the words already learned in previous lessons. And if you would like to learn more of the non-formal Arabic, please subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.